Hey guys, welcome to yet another interesting and informative video by Simplilearn. In this video, we will understand the operators in C programming. Before we get started, make sure that you subscribe to our Simplilearn channel and hit the bell icon to never miss an update from us. So without further ado, let's get started with the agenda for today's session. First, let us start by understanding what are operators in C, and then the types of operators. Now let's begin with what are operators in C. An operator is used to operate on operands of any type. So in short, an operator is a symbol. In the example, a is equal to 2 plus 3, 2 and 3 are the operands and plus is the operator. So basically, the addition operation is performed on two operands. Now let's have a look at the types of operators in C. Based on the operands, the operators are classified into three types. First up, we have unary operators that are used to perform operation on a single operand. And the operators are unary minus, increment, decrement, and logical not. Next is binary operators that operates on two operands: arithmetic operator, relational operator, logical, bitwise, and assignment operator. And then the ternary operator, which is also known as the conditional operator. Great! Now that we know the types of operators in C. Now let's understand the unary operators that perform the operation on a single operand with their symbols and examples. Let's start with the unary minus operator represented by the minus symbol, which converts the positive value to a negative number. Consider the value y to be positive 2, and after performing the unary minus operation, the positive value 2 will be converted to negative 2. Next, increment and decrement operators are used to increase and decrease the value by 1 respectively. For example, plus plus y is pre-increment and y plus plus is post-increment. Similarly, we have pre-decrement and post-decrement. Next is logical not, that is used to complement the logical value. For example, consider the value for x and y to be 5 and 2, and the condition is 5 lesser or equal to 2, which is false. So the logical not operator will complement Boolean value to true in that case. I hope you got a clear understanding of unary operators. Next, we have binary operators that operate on two operands. First, we have arithmetic operators used to perform addition, subtraction, multiplication, division, and modular operation. Let us know the performance of arithmetic operations with the help of a simple program. We have included all the arithmetic operators in this particular program. Now let's run the program and look at the result. Here, enter the value of a and b. As you can see, the result for all the operations is printed successfully. That is, 2 plus 3 is equal to 5, 2 minus 3 is equal to minus 1, 2 into 3 is equal to 6, and 2 divided by 3 is equal to 0. Relational operators are used for comparing two operands. First, we have the greater than operator that checks whether the operand 1 is greater than the operand 2. For example, x greater than y. Similarly, we have the other relational operators that are used to compare two operands, and they are less than or equal to, greater than or equal to, and not equal to. The following binary operator is the logical operator. In that we have the logical and, or, and not operators. So let us consider the example x greater than y, logical and x less than z. The logical and operator returns the value true if both conditions are valid. Otherwise, it will return false. Next, the logical or operator returns true if either condition is true. Else, it will return the value false. As discussed before, the logical not operator complements the value. Let's understand logical operators a little better by executing a program. As you all can see, in this particular program, we're going to perform logical operations. So let's run the program and see the output. So here it's asking press logical AND operator, press 2 to perform logical OR operation, and press 3 to perform NOT operation. So let us enter 1. So enter 3 numbers. Let me enter 2, 3 and 4. So here, since the condition is not satisfied, the return value is 0. Next, we have the bitwise operators, in which we have bitwise AND, OR, XOR, complement, right shift and left shift. Let us understand the bitwise operators with the help of truth table. The bitwise AND operator compares the bits. If both the bits are high, that is 1, then the result would be high, else the result is low, which is 0. Next is the bitwise OR operator. If either of the bit is high, then the result is 1, else the result is 0. Next, we have an XOR operator, in which the result is 0 when both the bits are zeros or ones, else the result is 1. Following, we have assignment operators. You may understand better when you look at the example. The assignment operator is used to assign a value to a variable. As you can see in the example, x is equal to 5, the value 5 is given to the variable x. Next is to sum and assign. That is, x plus equal to 2 means the number 2 is added to the value of x. Next, subtract and assign. That means by subtracting the number 3 from the value of x. Then multiply and assign operator, which multiplies 2 with the value of x. The divide and assign operator is used to divide. For example, 2 is divided by the value of x. Similarly, the bitwise AND and assign operator ANDs the value of y with x. And then the bitwise OR and assign operator will OR the value of y with x. So I think you got a good understanding of all the binary operators. Okay. So let us now understand the ternary operator in C with the help of syntax and example. The syntax is expression 1 question mark, expression 2 colon, expression 3 and semicolon. For example, let us consider x is equal to 5 and y is equal to 2. Expression 1 must be the condition to be satisfied. So basically, if the condition is satisfied, it will execute the expression 2. Otherwise, it will execute expression 3. As you can see in this example, 5 less than 2. The condition is false, so that it will execute the expression 3, which means print the value 2. Now let's execute program using ternary operator. If the condition is satisfied, it's gonna print expression 2, else execute expression 3. So let's run it. Here, enter 2 numbers. So since the condition is not satisfied, the expression 3 is executed. I hope you got the idea of using the ternary operator, right? Now let's see how this special operator works. Some special operators in C programming are comma, address and size of. Now let's execute the program using special operators. So in this particular program, a comma operator is used while declaring variables. Next, the symbol ampersand represents the address operator to fetch the memory address of a variable, and the size of operator is used to know the size of data types occupied in the memory. Let's run it. Here, let's enter the value for A and B. So as you can see, the values are printed successfully. That is, the value of A is equal to 2, the value of B is equal to 3, and the size of int is equal to 4 bytes. So with this, we have come to the end of this session on operators in C programming. I hope this session was informative and interesting. Until next time, this is Sanya from Simplilearn team signing off. Thank you, stay safe and keep learning.
Hi there, if you like this video, subscribe to the Simplilearn YouTube channel and click here to watch similar videos. To nerd up and get certified, click here.